Alright, once again, nature lovers, Nature Boy here again. Welcome to the channel. Like and subscribe and share. Hit the notification bell. Hit the notification bell, then press all. Yeah man, I want a nature friend that I talk to you. So that plus pass. Here we are in B-side Trelawny. This area is called Riverhead. So the water that come out from out of the rock, you know, get to see this very often, you know. Yeah man, when you hear about Jamaica land of food and water, see it here, live and living colors. So now, let me get a little bit closer. And the water is stepping. Where they come from? Where they go? All the way down there, so. Now, this is not water where rain fall and run off, you know. This is a river. So, if you notice a piece of pipe, so, there used to be a pump house here, so that's it. 4 condemned pump house pipe. Yeah? This is a bridge. Yeah, man. Now really venture because they swim fast. There's chocolate come from underneath the rock. Yeah man. You cannot even like bubble from underneath the rock. That a Jamaica this, you know. As a nature boy, a nature friend, lover of nature, and you seek to bring you these things. Once it's near water, alright, so see the high inside, it's the rock. Where they come from? Yeah? How out that they come from? Go back up and see if I can take a view from the other side of the bridge. Oh. Here it is now. That's what's coming from underneath the bridge. So now, here's another area now where the water, where it does, where it can't, it's not only coming from that section of the rock. It's also coming from some rocks over there also. See where it's coming from also, underneath the rock. But it's another area where the water comes from underneath the rock. I see the rock right there. So it's fine and see and channel it through. Right through. It's also coming up. Right here also, you know this? Coming out from underneath the rock right here. Okay. So that's it. That's another area where it's coming from right there. And then here's the main stream over here. It's coming directly from the riverhead, I think. Yes, the main one. Alright, so that's the pipe that goes to the pump out, but I think got destroyed. I've never really. That's a staple tree, a local fruit tree here. Right. So it is one of those trees that's planted by the rivers of water. Its leaf shall never wither. See what them doing? And them bring forth them fruit in due season. Everything in do. Yeah, my boss, cool, my brother. Yeah, you. Everything in do prosper. Alright. So these are at the hill, at the foot of Maroon Town. Foothills. Alright. So above here is Maroon Town in St. James. So all these rivers and streams are fed by the underwater aqueducts that come from that area. But this never dry, it's consistently running. The only thing happens is that when it rains and the runoff get, you know, into the main underground storage, then it changes color like this. But after tomorrow, another day or two, if it doesn't rain again, you'll find that it will run just as hard but clearer, because all the sediment you know, that is stirred up because of turbidity caused by the inflow of the water into the aqueduct would have now settled or run off. So yeah, man. Pouring out from outside the rock. Canteen. Boiling as if it's at a fire. Fire there also. Like a whirlpool. These are some of the beautiful scenery while traveling through the countryside that I enjoy. So I'm just sharing it with you. Alright? All these are on top of the rock. They're on top of the rock. That from which the river flows. So one final time, I'll give you a view of over here. Alright, that's where it ends up. And that's where it exits from underneath the road. And that's what you get. Nice stream of water. Let me see if I can capture. Yeah. So see, it's going all the way down there through those bamboo trees. Yeah. Flowing nice and easy. Follow the stream all the way up. Underneath there. There. Come on, show me the water. Right. So there it is. Going through there, coming up. So there, sometime when it rains, all of this area is flooded. The bamboos, yeah. Lots of bamboos over there. So it just finished raining. So yeah, man, that is my little piece of old bus. That's what I use to traverse Jamaica. Hope to get something better soon. But until then, yeah, man, good old Betsy. Yeah, D-Side Trelawny, like, subscribe and share. Hit the notification bell, then press all. Tell me what you think. If I should go find some more of these locations in Jamaica. and feature them on the channel because it's all about nature and it's just about fishing, you know. Remember, we are the nature family, nature boys. I'm the nature boy. Checking out until next video. Keep strong, keep the faith, and be committed to the task. Shoulder to the wheel, never give up. Yeah, man. Cool.